Welcome to our new geospatial platform, GeoGLI.com. This robust data explorer system tracks countries' commitments to land restoration, offering access to reliable and relevant data to identify areas in urgent need of conservation or restoration. In this video, you will learn how to best use our geospatial platform to find the results that you are looking for. You can navigate the map by clicking the zoom in or zoom out buttons, or by scrolling your mouse. You can also click on the globe. The Mountainscape button shows the terrain relief on the globe. Additionally, you can switch to aerial mode, dark theme, or light theme, and you can compose your own map. Clicking on the Help button will show you how to interact with different spatial layers in the platform. Explore the available number of layers, show you which categories you're able to filter, show you how you can search with keywords, and finally, how to remove selected categories that are unwanted. You can create a workspace with specific maps by pinning layers, which will then fall under My Workspace. On the homepage, you can find different layers that you are able to click on and off, such as burned areas, real-time active fires, vegetation index, droughts, and more. On the left-hand side, you can select and unselect specific threats that you are interested in learning more about, like burned areas from 2023 to 25. You can select a specific year you would like to look at, and compare this historical data to near real-time fires as well to see how much has changed. An example is clicking on active fire density, where you can see annual fire density per square kilometer in each year from 2003 to 2025 in the country you are looking at. This way you can follow the trends of annual fire density or fires per month. You can also see what type of environment a fire affected, like savannas, grasslands, evergreens, etc. You can do this for each threat area such as fire, drought, or deforestation. You can also click on real-time vegetation indexes by month of the year, search by drought severity index guides, land status, restoration status, or go even more in depth and search a specific region in a country. You can then click on and off of more maps, like for restoration opportunities to reduce flood risk or landslide risk. Here you can see where forest protection can be undertaken in a specific country or region. Under climate data, you can also track things, like precipitation change, yearly temperature anomalies, or averages by decade. Finally, you can search by country profile, where you will find an extensive overview of what's happening in each specific country, with anything from the current state of it, stressors, trends, impacts, and different treaties and commitments that specific country is a part of. You can download a country's profile to your computer, as well as any specific infographics you want. Under current state, you can look at land status and see how much of a country's land is bare, grassland, tree-covered, etc. You can also look at this in a real-time map below. Additionally, you can track the land degradation amount for the country, the soil organic carbon map, aridity index, socioeconomics, agriculture production, wealth of the country, resources and specific stressors in real time that country is going through, like real-time fires. You can also track the changes in temperature, precipitation, and in food and health. GeoGLI is more than a platform. It is about ensuring decision makers have access to reliable and relevant data to identify areas in urgent need of conservation or restoration. We hope you enjoy using our new site as much as we do, and please leave a comment below if you have any questions.